How to sell clothes on Carousell. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to sell clothes on Carousell. Start by opening the Carousell app on your mobile device. Tap on the sell button in the middle of your screen. Now select fashion from the options provided. Here, you will find information on how the process works, including details about drop-off times and accepted items. After reading the information, tap on Sell to Carousell. Next, tap on the three lines icon. Then select Login and enter your email and password to sign in. Scroll down to explore the different styles available. Tap on the three-line icon again. Then select Sell. Choose How to Sell to learn more about the process. Start by filling a bag with clothes you no longer wear, with a minimum of 10 pieces from any brand. You can drop off your bag at any refresh store island-wide unless stated otherwise. Carousell now accepts men's wear too, along with women's wear. However, winter wear, active wear, and premium brands are still not accepted in stores. You can also submit your application for courier pickups. All categories are accepted, including women's wear, active wear, men's wear, winter wear, and premium brands. Once your items are accepted, you will get paid within 60 working days. Any unaccepted items will either be returned to you or transferred to their recovery program. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.